In terms of appearance design, T01 Changfeng has raised its appearance and off-road attitude to a new level. The exterior design of the entire vehicle is optimized based on T01 through 3 parts: wide body kit, upgraded kit and front appearance, making the vehicle's appearance fuller, the vehicle's stance more upright, and the overall feeling. T01 Changfeng offers users 3 color options: Qingfeng Blue, Cyan Green and Ziyexuan. Qingfeng Blue is the first color of T01 Changfeng. The front face of the product has been renewed with a unique tiger-style design. The widened grille increases the air intake area to improve combustion efficiency and power output, while the design of the front cover highlights power and dynamics. Paired with the built-in front bumper bar, which shows a ready-to-move attitude, this part not only strengthens the off-road aura, but also has removable and flexible functional qualities, and also protects important front components. The T01 Changfeng body adopts single-color wide-body wheel arches, which not only improves the appearance, but also effectively protects the body from collisions and facilitates the installation of large-size off-road tires, improving passability and off-road. In addition, the side steps have been widened to provide more solid support when getting on and off the car, effectively protect the sides of the car body, and improve the overall visual effect and aesthetics. Nitrogen vibration damping is used to increase the overall height of the T01 Changfeng by 1.5 inches, which increases maneuverability and provides a wider driving space. Customized aluminum alloy wheels are matched with 285/70 R17 off-road tires to achieve perfect integration. In order to meet the needs of more complex terrain, T01 Changfeng has made significant improvements in off-road performance and vehicle configuration, making the T01 Changfeng a truly formidable off-road vehicle. The off-road parameters stand out among others. The maximum wading depth is increased to 910 mm, allowing for safe passage through deeper waters. The ground clearance of 256 mm can overcome various obstacles. The approach angle of 43 degrees and the departure angle of 39 degrees are suitable. It reduces the risk of collisions to the chassis and front and rear bumpers for climbing and descending. T01 Changfeng is also equipped with a double cross-shaft universal joint, which can better adapt to changes in the drive shaft angle, withstand greater loads and impact forces, and is more durable with an increased main reduction ratio of 4.556. Torque can easily cope with complex road conditions, has better stability and evasion. Electronically controlled front and rear differential locks can quickly detect wheel speed differences, intelligently allocate torque, and eliminate the need for frequent manual operation. It completes torque transmission within 10 milliseconds, making it safer. In addition, the upgrade of 23 chassis performance parts makes it easier to climb slopes and pass through potholes. Taking full account of the user's needs in different scenarios, the scalability design of T01 Changfeng brings many surprises. In addition to the already rich 30+ expansion areas of the general basic models, it also offers more personalized designs. The reserved hidden 12,000-pound winch, the hidden spotlight position in the front bumper, the removable protection bar and the front bumper corners, etc., enhance the vehicle's off-road performance, aesthetics and practicality. Other more extended details such as underbody protection, auxiliary fuel tanks, spotlight brackets, anti-aircraft lights, etc., fully consider user needs.